This video was brought to you by Stormberg, a route planner, MisterGreen, Kempower and Maxus Bil. Launch number 1. Launch number 2. Alright, we only took 2 launches, but that's good enough. So let's take a look at the result then. Euniq. Still wondering how to pronounce this, but the Maxus, okay, the Maxus managed to do it in 9.5 seconds, right on par with spec. That's okay. Not sure what to say about it. It's not the fastest, but I guess compared to fossil car, for example, the Kia Ceed, then it's okay speed. And then, well, actually compared to Stellantis cars, also kind of on par with them. Well, at least some of them. But then, as for noise, it's here. So remember that we have a separate table for winter tires and another one for summer tires. So you see that it ends up here in the middle, kind of. And then what other cars are better? Model 3, well, XC40, something, e-Golf. And then slightly worse cars are Kona, Ioniq, and actually i3S. Really? Yeah. So you see that noise-wise, it's okay. Probably because it's 17-inch tires, so you don't have too much road noise. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it. A short video about the noise and acceleration. I guess, yeah, okay, I should mention it. Some people, they say you should accelerate with 5-6 people in the car. Well, I don't do that with other cars anyway. So should I also load a Taycan with 5 people and then launch it? Okay, anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.